So hi everyone. Welcome to the assignment that CSE 341 Project One a move overview for the contacts assignment. So I've built a backend web application, and so it's going to serve for the professional profile data from a database, and I've built it using Node.js, Express, and MongoDB. So these are the main dependencies that are being used for this application: Express, MongoDB, which is a MongoDB database driver that we use to connect to our database, and we had .env, and we have oh, body parser, which is used as middleware. So the entry point of this application is in server.js, and yes, and we also have connect.js, which helps us to connect to our database. So we have the initdb function, which initializes our database, and we also have the getDB function, which share our database connection with other areas of our application. So we also have our routes here, which this one gets all the data, while this one gets this is specific data based on the ID. In our controllers here, we have the get data function, and we also have the get single data function. The get data function connect to the project one database. It accesses the user collection right here, and then it performs a find to retrieve all documents or data, while the get single data functions only handles requests for a specific ID from the URL. So, and it converts this to a MongoDB object ID before it finds one specific document in the user collection that matches the user ID, right? So an example of how this data would look like, you can see it in the user.json right here. So let's see a live application of it. So here's the GitHub repo where the file is actually uploaded, and you can see that the .env file is not here since we included it in the git ignore. So right here. So we hosted this on render, and this is the endpoint right here. I will get this, I copy this, I paste it, and remember that is slash users, right? And then this would give me uh let's wake render of this service up right here. So it will just give me a minute. It should take a minute for this to wake up, less than that. um okay, yeah, beautiful. So this gets all the data. So if we want to get a specific user, we can just get the ID, okay, slash, and then paste the ID, and then it retrieves only one user ID. That's yeah. So yes, it does that, and that is all. Is that all? All right. Yes. So how the it's actually structures, we have the controllers database, we have the routes, and then the entry